Hello everybody, my name is Davis and welcome back to the video, and today we are going to be doing your December 2023 weather forecast. Okay, so today we're going to be taking a look at the Climate Prediction Center's maps for the month of December here. We're going to be taking a look at their temperature map and their precipitation map to see what you can expect this December. Okay, so let's go ahead and get right into it. We're going to start off with the temperature map here. Okay, now you may notice that we have 3 shades of orange here. We're going to break this down one by one, right? So if you're in that lightest shade of orange there, that's going to be a 33 to 40% chance to see above average temperatures. Now this will hardly be a noticeable difference at all for you guys, but it could be 1 to 2 degrees warmer on the average day this December, okay? So look out for that. Once you get into the medium orange color, that's your 40 to 50% chance to see above average temperatures, okay? That's where you can start to maybe notice a little bit of a difference, but overall it's not going to affect things too much. But it really starts to change once you get into that darkest shade of orange that we have here going down the central portion of the country, where you have a 50 to 60% chance to see above average temperatures, okay? This is where you might start to notice maybe some of that snow turning more into rain, you know, maybe a few degrees above average temperature-wise, okay? It could be quite a bit warmer in that area this December, okay? So look out for that. And then if you are not in any of those shades of orange, if you're just in the white, like in the desert southwest or northern Maine, then you have equal chances to see temperatures this year, alright? Now, we do not have an area that's likely to see below average temperatures, as we are entering a strong El Nino pattern, and that usually brings less below average temperature areas, okay? So let's go ahead and move on to the monthly precipitation outlook map here. If I go ahead and reveal it by moving my camera, we can see quite a bit going on here, okay? So let's go ahead and start off what you can expect if you're in the lightest shade of green. Now, we have 2 of those. One of them is going to be stretching from Rhode Island and Massachusetts back down into East Texas, and then the other one is going to span from North California back over into western Montana here, and those are going to be your areas that have a 33 to 40% chance to see above average precipitation. So again, hardly noticeable at all, maybe just a little bit more rain and snowfall than usual this December. Once you get into that medium green color, that's going to be a 40 to 50% chance to see above average precipitation. We have 2 of those again in very similar areas, right? Those are the areas that could start to see a little bit of a difference with the precipitation, right? You could start to see quite a bit more snow or rain than usual. Then you get into the dark lime green color. That's going to be your area that has a 50 to 60% chance to see above average precipitation. We have 2 of those once again, one in the southeast, one in the northwest. That's where you're really going to start to see that rain and snow totals. Those are going to ramp up quite a bit this December. You're going to be very above average, which is good because a lot of these areas are under a exceptional drought right now, especially like New Orleans, Louisiana. This is like a record drought ongoing right now, so it'll be good that we have a likely chance to see above average precipitation chance this December, okay? Now, we do have an area in the northwest that has an even darker shade of green. That area is going to have a 60-70% chance to see above average precipitation. Lots of rain, lots of snow, even more snow than usual. You guys already get a lot of snow up there, but it's going to be ramped up times 10 in that area this December, most likely, okay? So look out for that. If you're in the lightest shade of brown, that does span across portions of the Great Lakes region, you have a 33 to 40% chance to see below average precipitation, so expect maybe a little bit less snowfall this December. And then if you are in the darker shade of brown there, that's going to be a 40 to 50% chance to see below average precipitation. So really expect below average precipitation this December, alright? We could see slightly less snowfall up there, but again, you guys already get a lot of snowfall up there, so it shouldn't make too much of a difference in the upper Midwest. If you guys did enjoy this video, make sure to like and subscribe. My winter forecast, my final one, will be releasing soon, so stay tuned for that, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.